Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys the thing you need to fix your frontal. Yes, the thing you need to insert your closure and all that. All you need to fix a good closure. Yes, so guys, I decided to share with you because I'm in this shoe with you because not quite long I started know how to fix my frontal. As in, it's so easy. You must not be a stylist. Yes, you must not be a stylist before you can fix your frontal by yourself. Before you can fix your frontal by yourself, because these days to fix frontal, the money is just too much. I don't know, maybe it's because it's in Nigeria and all that. For you to get a good frontal, for you to get a perfect frontal, before you do one, I know you are going to make a mistake, but next time your hand will be very, very strong, right? Your hand will be very, very strong. Please, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, okay? So, guys, and that is it. Before you make one frontal, you are going to make a mistake, okay? But if you are doing it again, your hand will be, it's just like you are doing it not maybe every day. Maybe you are doing it maybe 2 times in a month. You get, maybe you can, some people said they can carry their frontal for 2 weeks or 1 week. But me, I've not carried my frontal more than 2 days. Have I ever carried my frontal more than 2 days? Maybe 1 day, because not that the hair is not fine, I end up removing it that same day. Yes, and worry no more. I'm going to show you what you can use to remove your frontal easily, ASAP. You don't need to be stressing yourself. My head have pulled. Like the last time I did frontal, my head pulled. Yes, so I went sharp on AliExpress or Amazon. I think I got this on AliExpress. I got it on this remover for closure. I got it on AliExpress. Yes, and guess what? The second time I fixed my closure, it was like I did not put any gum. It's just for you to dab it on your head and it move already. Because if you do your frontal the first time, the second time you will be perfect. Not that perfect, but gradually. Do you think that those people that fix frontal, they are hairstylists? Most of these people that do frontal, that do their frontal, they are not hairstylists. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. First of all, number one thing you need to insert your closure, you need your gum. You know they have different type of gum for frontal. Yes, they have different type, any one of your choice, but this is the number one like the most popular gum in the world. Like, let me just say in the world, the most popular hair gum for your frontal. This is what you need. Yes. And number two, what you need your spray, your gum spray. This one goes with this together. If you are buying this, you are getting this the same time, okay? And that is it. This thing, they do marvelous thing. And this gum, mind you, this gum is very, very good. Once you put small like this, your closure will lay. Unless maybe that closure is not good. You understand? Maybe it's rubber closure. You know, they have different type of closure. There are some closure that you will just lay on your head. It will gum immediately. But there are some closure that will take time to lay on your scarf. Even if you rub this thing 100 times, it will not still lay. That is all those hair blend, all those rubber hair and all that. So, and number 3 thing you need your hair tint. And mind you, if you don't have hair tint, if you don't have this one is the one after laying your frontal and all that, you are going to use this one for the lace not to show at the front. This is the one you will be using at the front just to maintain the front so that it will blend with your skin, okay? If you don't have this, you can use your brown powder you use for your face, not the light powder, the dark shade of your powder, you can use it to dab on the front like this. Okay, if you don't have this, okay, if you don't have this, so it's not a must you must get this, it's not a must you must get this one. But if you really want to get this one, you can get it. Okay, it's the same thing, they do the same thing. This one is powder, your normal powder you use for your makeup, you can use this. Okay, and you need wax. Yes, wax stick. This one, I got this both on AliExpress, lace tint mouse and wax stick. You need wax stick. This wax stick will make, after laying your closure and everything, you maintain your hair. You need this wax stick. Let me open it for you to see. You need this wax stick, like you need this wax stick. Okay, you need this wax stick. This is what it looks like. You need this wax stick so that your hair will, when you are using your hot comb, your hair will relax and all that. So, and that is it. Like I said before, you need this remover in case if you want to remove your closure, if you don't want your hair to break at the front. Okay, and another thing you need your sauce cap. Yes, this one, you need your sauce cap. Okay, you need this. Very, very, very important. Okay, must, you know, when you want to do baby hair at the front, you need your styling mousse. This is the one that you can use to do your your baby hair, or you use your olive, this one is edge control, or you use this edge. Okay, that is it. You need styling mousse and you need this as well. Okay, you need this thing. This one, even if it's not this particular type, you can get any edge control that you can use to do your baby hair and all that. And you need your brush. Yes, very, very important. You need brush. Okay, you need brush. This is the brush. This is how it looks. You can use any brush. You can even use your toothpaste and all that. Okay, before I do use my toothpaste, since I've been seeing a lot of content creator, they use this so that's the reason I got this. You can also get this if you don't have money to buy. You can use your toothpaste. Okay, why this one is good is because it has a little bit of comb in this side that you can use to maintain the hair and all that. And you need your band. You need your band for you to tie the hair at the front, like when you finish. If you want it to gum, like after applying the gum and you put your closure, this is what you need. Yes, this is the band you need. You can get different type of band. You can even use your hair tie. If you don't have this, you can use your hair tie. Okay, and you need your scissors. You need your scissors. If you don't have that other one they used to use to cut the hair, you need this. If you don't have that one, you can also use this and all that. Okay, and you need your hot comb. Yes, very, very important. So, I want to show you how this thing looks. You know, I'm saying you need your hot comb. You need your hot comb. A lot of people don't know what is hot comb. Yes, so I am showing you. This is what hot comb looks like. After laying your closure, after laying your frontal and all that, when you are using this one, to tie the hair so that it will gum, you'll be now using this other one to maintain it. Note, you must have used this wax stick to rub before using this to maintain it and all that. So, and that is it for this video, guys. If you enjoy watching this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you are here, you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Okay, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If it's helpful and useful, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and I will see you all on my next video. I love you all. Bye.